and the key. Unscrew the panel and move it aside. Water injection part. Sewage outlet. Open the lid and add water. Stop adding water when the water level reaches the blow area. The water level should not exceed the blow area. Close the lid. Cover the panel. Use a screwdriver to connect the wire to the circuit breaker of the corresponding power. The order is LE, LR, L3, and P. After connecting, power on the machine. Check and turn the compound switch to the on position. Rotor emergency stop switch. After the system interface opens, press chiller. Waiting for the chiller to start, there is the sound of the fan turning. Wait a few minutes for it to warm up.